Biodiversity and its conservation. We will take a look at number 1, threats to biodiversity. Number 2, why should we conserve biodiversity? Number 3, protecting biodiversity. Threats to biodiversity. The major threat to biodiversity is extinction. Any type of plant or animal can die out, meaning that in its absence, all of the ecosystems that it inhabited, the chains of which it was a link, must change or risk dying out themselves. Either option will have a profound effect on the ecosystem's output, which in turn affects the ingredients it will produce for human consumption, thus altering humans' lifestyles as well. Some of the major threats to biodiversity include number 1, hunting, or more specifically, overhunting. Killing animals obviously reduces their numbers and endangers their species. Habitat loss. Often habitats are demolished, for example, to make way for buildings and roads. The specific type of habitat loss is deforestation or cutting down trees. Invasion by foreign species. The introduction of non-native species, for example, stocking a pond with fish from another part of the world, again means that an ecosystem must cope with a threat to its natural order. Pollution. Pollution contaminates natural ecosystems and again poses a threat. Climate change. Differing temperatures, amounts of snowfall or rainfall, and a variety of other symptoms of climate change can all affect ecosystems in a given area. Why to conserve biodiversity? Biodiversity includes all the plants, animals, habitats, and natural process of the earth. It has become clear that biodiversity is very important for our existence on our earth. Medicines originating from wild species, including penicillin, aspirin, Taxol, and quinine, have saved millions of lives. 40% of all prescriptions are for medicines that originated from plants and animals. No one knows how many more cures await discovery, hidden in Earth's poorly studied species. There are 80,000 species of edible plants known on Earth, but 90% of the world's food comes from a mere 20 of these species. Edible plant species, both those we know and those we don't, offer a tremendous resource of possibilities that could greatly add to the security of our food. Biodiversity is the life support system of our planet. We depend on it for the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the water we drink. Wetlands filter pollutants from water, trees, and plants reduce global warming by absorbing carbon and bacteria. And fungi break down organic material and fertilize the soil. It has been empirically shown that native species richness is linked to the health of the ecosystems, as is the quality of life for humans.